Good evening. One of the most consequential decisions the President makes is his appointment of a justice to the Supreme Court. When a president chooses a justice, he's placing in human hands the authority and majesty of the law. The decisions of the Supreme Court affect the life of every American. And so a nominee to that court must be a person of superb credentials and the highest integrity. A person who will faithfully apply the Constitution and keep our founding promise of equal justice under law. I have found such a person in Judge John Roberts. And tonight I'm honored to announce that I am nominating him to serve as Associate Justice of the Supreme Court.
It is both an honor and very humbling to be nominated to serve on the Supreme Court. Before I became a judge, my law practice consisted largely of arguing cases before the court. That experience left me with a profound appreciation for the role of the court in our constitutional democracy and a deep regard for the court as an institution. I always got a lump in my throat whenever I walked up those marble steps to argue a case before the court, and I don't think it was just from the nerves.
Legal temperament and demeanor, but his actual judicial record is limited to only 2 years on the D.C. Circuit Court. For the rest of his career, he has been arguing cases as an able lawyer for others, leaving many of his personal views unknown. For these reasons, it is vital that Judge Roberts answer a wide range of questions openly, honestly, and fully in the coming months. His views will affect a generation of Americans, and it is his obligation during the nomination process to let the American people know those views.
Hi, all guys. Good. How are you taking the news? What can you tell us about it?
Well, I'm concerned about people already starting to raise questions. It's less than 2 hours since a word was out that Judge Roberts would be the nominee. I think that at a minimum, people ought to give him an opportunity to be heard and to express himself and to review his record. It's going to take everybody some time to do that. With all of the names which have been floated, not possible that everybody knows a great deal about all of those prospects. So let's give the hearing process a chance, and let's give Judge Roberts a hearing.
Doesn't want a litmus test. Will you also be working to make sure